Uh, Hopefully I'll get on the road and do another express trip to a hotel or motel. Now remember, if you're going to go to a hotel or a motel, tell them that you are taking a business trip, not a outing to get out of the house because you're going stir crazy. Just say, this is a business trip. They're not going to ask no questions. They really don't, because they got FEMA, they got Homeland Security, they got the National Guard, all in plain clothes. Remember that. Homeland Security, the military, National Guard, all in plain clothes until they come out of them hotels and motels with weapons drawn to fucking kill your townspeople. This is what the U.S. government does. It is a UN flag. The United Nations has flags. The U.S. flag is one of those United Nations flags. Freemasons all belong to the United Nations Global Citizens New World Order of COVID-19. The outbreaks are you and I. We are called the outbreaks because we're like, this is total freaking raka. You don't do this to people. So, for those of you who are taking them out and doing what must be done to reclaim and do what we can while we're in purgatory, we, the Society of Non-Mason, thank you. We, the Red Hand, Kilroy, the Fifth Column, thank you. I know many lone wolves, but you're going to have to choose your targets better. The higher up the pyramid they are, of course, Master Masons, the head of the lodge, those are your primary targets right now. The commander, out.